Sometimes you encounter a gap in the wood or some sort of defect that needs filling. And a lot of times, sometimes you use CA glue, but a lot of times you have to use something like a wood putty. And you can see how light this is. And that makes it makes a really good seal eventually, but you need to let it dry. You have to be very patient. But then what do you do with this big area because it's all white? So what I do as a little trick is, well, I use a couple things. This is one of them. It is basically a stain marker. And you can also use a Sharpie if you need to. But what I do is I take the stain marker and I mark it all around here. And I just let it sit. And that's the hard part. Let it sit maybe overnight if you can. It's going to lighten up. You're going to put it on and it's going to look dark at first. And you're going, oh my God, it looks horrible. Then it's going to lighten up and it's going to look a lot better. Just be patient. It will work. A second coat does the trick. If you have any questions, please let me know. But I think this is a real good way to fix a gap problem and also to make it look good. After I get this polished off and I get it, you don't want to sand it. You just want to kind of rub it in and just leave it. It doesn't go deep, so if you sand it, it's going to come off, and you're going to have to redo the whole thing again. But a couple coats and some patience, maybe a day and a half, and this is what it will look like. And then you can go ahead and just continue to do your finishing on it, and it should look like it's part of the wood, and you won't have any problems. Again, if you like this video, please mark the or hit the button. And subscribe if you can, or leave comments. I always answer the comments. I try to get to you, within 24 hours if possible. And please check out our other videos. And thank you very much for watching.